Hi, this is Molly from Spokane County Library District, back with more science from home. Today's experiment is called Ghost Glove, and I chose it because it's pretty close to Halloween, so happy Halloween everyone out there. The materials you'll need for today are vinegar, baking soda, a glass, some form of glove, and a couple of measuring tools. So today we're going to see if we can get this glove to inflate just by using the materials that we have in front of us here. I'm going to start by pouring some vinegar into my glass. If you're following along at home, you'll want to pour about 3 tablespoons of vinegar in. So we'll start with that. 1, 2, 3. Next, I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of baking soda into the glove. There's the teaspoon. All right. Here we go. One. I'm letting it kind of go down to the fingers. And here's number 2. All right. So, very carefully, I'm going to try and put the glove on top of the glass. And I'm keeping the baking soda away down here in the fingers. And now, fingers crossed this works. All right, well, the first time I did this, the glove popped out. It wants to come off the glass. So it worked. I think I need a bigger circumference on my glass for the glove to stay on. But what just happened? Simply put, we created a chemical reaction that released a gas that rose into the glove and caused it to inflate and ultimately fly away. How though? So almost all liquids and sometimes other substances like baking soda are either considered an acid or a base. These are chemistry concepts based on the types of ions that make up the substance. This experiment works because vinegar is an acid and baking soda is a base. And acids and bases don't always like each other. They don't always get along. So when you put them together, they react and they change. So in the glass, we no longer have vinegar and baking soda. We have something called carbonic acid and sodium acetate. So when baking soda and vinegar combine to form these other substances that they create, they release in that chemical reaction carbon dioxide. That's the same stuff that we breathe out into the air when we exhale, and it was the carbon dioxide that inflated the glove. So that was actually super cool. I definitely recommend trying it at home. I hope you enjoyed this week's edition of Science from Home. We'll see you back here next week.